Right, okay, Cornwall. Somerset. Not even registered, that one.
This is a sturdy design.
Survived it.
Kilogram. Go on.
Still survived, right.
Amy. Level 2, everyone. Level 2.
Right, we survived a kilogram. We've got a little bit of structural damage.
Level 2.
Make sure your feet are in, please, Lucy. 1.5 kilograms. Completely impressed. Doesn't appear to want to go.
Now this is the ultimate test.
3 kilograms. I'm not sure. What do you think? Sorry. I think it's survived that. Should we try another?
There's 2 more kilograms over here.
Let's get some more weight on that one then. I want to actually see how. What?
It's nice that you're enthusiastic, but stay calm.
Why do we think that this one has survived so much bombardment?
It's good.
Guy.
That's a good design.
What shape was the Anderson? Yeah, that's good.
Looks like a little smile. That dead.
I'm starting to think they're probably not going to survive, but I want to break it. So.
It's one of the strongest shelters, Mr. I don't think you've ever honed in on the strongest shelters.
I want to see how much they survive.
How much is this?
5 kilograms now. Right, I'm going to give that. It survived a 4 kilogram blast, but 5 kilograms has killed everybody inside.